The Import Employees page is found by clicking on the Payroll Settings tab over here or here. You can find the Import Employees page under the Business Management page here. This page allows you to import employee details from a range of sources. By clicking on the drop-down arrow here, you'll be able to select from a range of options. The first option in this drop-down box is the standard format file upload, along with the abridged format file upload. These options mean you'll be able to select an Excel or CSV file from your computer. All of the options listed below will require a different process depending on the selection. For example, for 0, you'll need to press 0 here and then enable the connection. On the pop-up page here, you'll be able to log in your 0 credentials, which will then connect it to KeyPay. If, for example, you want to import employees from Sage, you'd click the Sage 50 file upload, and then you have options here to select which file upload you want, depending whether it's an employee import, opening balances, or pensions. If we go back to the standard format file upload here, by ticking the box automatically create missing locations, this means that any location names listed in the primary location and locations column in the import that are not already set up in the system will automatically be created. If this setting is not selected, there will be an import error if there are location names contained in the import that are not already created in the system. In order to bring the import files across, you can select the File button here, or simply drag and drop the file here. We'll come back to the import process in a moment. I just want to draw your attention now to the Employee List button on the right-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to the Employee List page. This lists all active employees by default. You can also show terminated employees by ticking the box here. Terminated employees are highlighted in red. If we now go back to the Import Employee page, you'll see there's also an Export button on the right-hand side here. This allows you to export a template. You can choose to export the template with all active employees, or also including the terminated employees previously shown. Simply then press Download afterwards. This is very useful to do before an import, as it will give you the correct template to follow with regards to the information needed for the import. We'll now go back to the Import Employees page. In today's case, I'm choosing a standard format file upload. I'm now going to select the file option here. Once you have done that, you'll be directed to select a file from your computer. Once you've selected your file, it will be listed here next to where it says Upload File. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to tick the box that says Automatically Create Missing Locations. Once the file is uploaded here, you can simply click Confirm Upload. If there are any errors in the import like we have here, the system will show the errors. It's quite specific on what the error is and what line it's referring to. You'll need to make the required changes to the import file and save the file again before running the import again. Once you've corrected the errors, you can select Import More Employees and go ahead and select your file. Now I've corrected the errors on the spreadsheet, I'm going to tick the box again saying Automatically Create Missing Locations and then try and upload the file again. You can then click Confirm Upload as before. As you can see here, 2 of the employees, Craig Bredmore and Sean Noyes, were created successfully. There was a partial import here for employee Jamie Jones. This error shows that in line 4 for employee Jamie Jones, there was an error validating the pay run settings default pay cycle. It looks like in the import this was left blank. So what the system has done, it's uploaded as much information as possible and left the employee incomplete. When you have an import which is partly successful, you have 2 options. You can either return to the Excel spreadsheet, correct the error it's referring to, and then import the document again, or you can go to the employee list and you'll see the employee is incomplete and you can update the information there. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go back to the Excel spreadsheet, correct the error, and then try the import again. Now I've corrected the error on the spreadsheet, just going to try uploading the import again. As you can see now, the import was successful, Jamie Jones has been created, and the other 2 employees have also had their details updated. You can now go to the employee list over here, where you will be able to find the employees which have just been added. And that's all for now for the Import Employees page.